I just sound like any other day. The Pgtips Monkey. Just another chill day. Bank holiday Monday. Yippee! Oh yeah, it's what's that month again? Oh yeah, Star Wars. Let's go. May the fourth be with you. May the fourth be with you. Star Wars. So that's when Fortnite does that collab. Fortnite doing fucking Star Wars. Star Wars after Star Wars. Fortnite, if we only enjoyed the first Star Wars season, the second one was really bad and it wasn't fun. So then you remake another Star Wars season, which nobody asked for, because we all asked just for a normal season with no collabs, no nothing, just I don't know, some original skins, like like in chapter 1 we got like the battle pass with the OG skins and stuff, like original designs, not just collab after collab after collab. You're right, Monkey. You are right. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention we've run out of PG tips. What? We've run out of PG. I'm gonna go to the store and go buy some. You just behave yourself. And if Peach knocks on the door or anything, just let her in. Okay, see you later. What should I do? I guess I could just check the Fortnite item shop. I guess I could just do that. Stupid Switch, man. Can you tell me what you think of the Switch? You think it's shit as well? Yeah, the Switch 2 is better, innit? We're broke. What about that monkey, mate? Monkey, what about the money you made from PGT? We don't talk about the money I made. I'm not telling anyone. No, I don't have to tell you guys. Just gonna wait for Fortnite alone. I wonder what the Tetleys are doing. In the deep dark lair of the Tetleys. I'm getting pissed. Nobody's buying Tetleys. Everybody prefers Yorkshire tea over us, and we keep getting taken the piss out of. To be fair, we are just an old tea brand from like the 90s. Yes, we are. And I know that there are only just these two guys who want to have this guy. Yes, we still drink Tetleys, because may the fourth be with you. Oh. Silly boy. Oh no. Sorry about that. The force was pulling me down. May the force be with you. So what's your plan, Tetleys? We was thinking you kidnapped the Pgtips Monkey, and then I don't know, we hold him for ransom. That's a great idea. Or you, silly white boy. Me? Yeah. Yeah, you. Get up. You been at the clubs again? I need you to go get the Pgtips Monkey. Coming for you, Pgtips Monkey. Okie dokie, boss. Better just load Fortnite on my Switch turned on. Stupid Switch, stupid life, stupid house, stupid walls, and stupid toes. Now let's check the Fortnite item shop, guys. Oh my god. Star Wars, Star Wars, Star Wars, Star Wars, Star Wars, more shitty Star Wars. Hey, look at this guy. 1,500 V-Bucks for this guy. Who's really going to be buying who? Imagine. Huh? Hello, monkey. Get on the ground now, I'm going to shoot you. Get on the ground. Well, it looks like I ain't got a choice, have I? Get on the ground. Oh, I'll blow your fucking head off. You're coming with me. Help! 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 Help me! Guys, help me, chat. You really think a Twitch chat can help you, you fucking idiot? 20 hours later. Huh? Oh, look. Monkey must have been playing Fortnite on the Switch. Wonder where he went. Hope he's not banging my wife again. Oh, George. Well, I guess I'll see what's in the shop. Where am I? You, Stormtrooper, get the scissors ready. Hello, monkey. Must be a surprise. I guess it's time. Guess it's time to finish him. Snippity snippy. I guess it's time to finish the Pgtips Monkey. But you know what? Oh, I got a better idea. Get out the way, Tetleys. I'm gonna watch the Tetleys do it. I'm not killing him. I'm not. You know what? Why don't we let him do it? I guess it's snippity snippy time. Really hard to see what he's saying when he's got tape around his mouth. What are we starting with first? His ear? His arm? Or his leg? What? I said no. Shh. I guess it's snippity snip time. I can't do this. I'm not a heartless person. Look. And fuck your T-bone. And you. That's what I'll do. Shit. Push. No, I'm gonna wife a kid. Oh, I can't kill someone. Oh, my fucking eye. I just popped myself in the eye. Oh, I'm just a toy, so it doesn't matter. Say less words, motherfucker. Stupid Mario toy. Stupid Tetleys. I'll do it myself. I'll do it myself. I'll cut your ear off, monkey. Pin the tail on the donkey. I can't see. May the force be with you. And you. Fucker. Oh. Oh, I got your pages. It's the end, friend. No. Time to die, monkey. It's time to die. Time to die. I'm Mr. Sellotape. I'll use my wheels. Thank you, Mr. Sellotape. Give me those. Come here, you. Ding, 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 we got a winner. Wait, where are we? Well, that was crazy. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Happy... What was it again? I didn't read the script. 4th... Wait a minute, I thought that was on 4th of July. Oh well, may the 4th be with you. Oh yeah, it's May, I don't know what month I'm on. I keep drinking too much. May the 4th be with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Alright, if you think the video is just going to end there, press the like button and subscribe. And we'll see you in another video. See you in another video. Doop, 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 doop.